Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make three column. You can split your Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to split your text in three column. So firstly select your text, then layout tab and column. Just select three. So now we have this data in three column. Also you can apply some changes like home tab, and here you can justify like this. You want to remove this three column, so select it, layout, column, and select here one. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.